And now we escape from reality with the WX1130 Morning Team. What if Phil Reimer took the entire morning team on a tour of the weather office?
All right, everybody follow me this way.
You know, Phil, I do think it's just a little bit unnecessary that all of us had to dress up in three-piece suits.
Jim, this is the standard TV uniform of today's now powerful weather forecasters.
I look silly in a three-piece suit.
No, you just look silly.
Hey, I'm really interested in this over here.
What is that, Ken?
Well, the gyprock they've used to put this wall up is...
Lighten up. Phil, tell us how the weather office works, will you?
Well, of course, as you realize, forecasting the weather is not an easy job. There's a lot of involved and complex forecasting equipment that comes into play.
Look, Phil, skip the lecture. Just get on. I mean, who do you think you are? Greg Douglas, Dr. Sport?
I'm Greg Douglas, Dr. Sport.
Don't tell us. Show us, Phil, some of the intricate equipment here. Show us.
All right, well, step over here. This is a window.
Right.
You open it up, look out, and you can see what the weather's like.
You gotta be kidding.
And Cam, there's this little glass of water. You wet your finger and stick it out to see which way the wind is blowing.
Thanks for the tour, Phil.
These are great. Sunglasses, you put them on so you can look outside and see if it's sunny.
Anybody here have Norm Groman's phone number?
Be sure to tune in next time when you will hear Phil Reimer say...
And this over here is an umbrella in case you want to see how wet the rain is.